guys. So I brought the old unit out. Lennox. Good old York is going in. Just getting it in place. I'll make up some pads. Just brace this up. Just so it doesn't fall down and I can put this in place. I already traced my hole. That's my line from the filter rack. I'm gonna go a little bit shorter. That's it. This piece went in, just screws in with the gasket. And it's just temporary. So a piece I had in the truck, I'm just gonna use it. Alright guys, so I got this in place here. Gotta do a little transition, by the way, for the sheet metal. Small transition. Line it up as best I can. It's a little off because it's just holding on by a strap. Probably use the same L and just do it's like L all the way around. Forgetting to take the exhaust and my plans to go up. Up here, I'm gonna be using, the homeowner wanted me to use these two existing holes, so I'm gonna make it work. So up here across to my furnace. Alright guys, coming along. Just gonna finish the venting. Tie straight. Try and make it in a way what I have so I keep it close to the furnace. We don't use up space. So I got that going out there, outside. I'm gonna finish this intake. So I finish it, just cut a piece there. The gas, did the gas here. Before they had a union inside, that's against code right now. You have to have the union outside the unit. Condensate drain, gotta do, just left it here. Did my transition. I used the existing one, my A coil's in here. They had 90 here, so I left that like that. And I made my 90, half inch, got my measurement, and went around. It goes around. On this side, I made it, that's like that. Not too bad. And then it goes along there. So on this side here, I did the same thing. So on the back side, I cut on the angle. And this side here, I made it 1 inch bigger, folded it over. That's it. So this side here, I made it 1 inch longer. That's not too bad. Alright guys, this is my exhaust and intake. What I'm going to do here, because we want to use the existing holes, and they were just covered with some vents. I'm just going to get some metal. This is not glued here, that's not glued either. Just the rest is. I'm going to get some metal and I'm just going to cut a hole through it. Then just seal around it. I hung them inside so they're floating in the middle here, so it's centered. So it'll look nicer when I put the plate on. Alright guys. A little quick install. It's the weekend, so get this out of the way quick. I'm gonna come back and do the outside venting. I'm gonna do some more taping. Work turned out pretty good. Another job done. See you on the next one.